If it's time to change the columns, also known as sieve beds, in your Inogen Rove 4, you're in the right place. Thanks to Inogen's great design, maintaining your unit is fast and easy. We'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start by removing the old columns. First, turn off your device by pressing and holding the power button. If your device is in a carry case, take that off. Take off the battery. Set your device on its side so you can see the underside. The columns are on one side of the device. Use a hex key to unlock the columns by inserting it into the socket and turning it counterclockwise until they are released. Pull the columns out. Both columns come out together as one piece. Now it's time to install the new columns. Take a look at your new column assembly. If there's tape on them, take that off and remove the 4 dust caps. This is very important. There are 2 dust caps at the top and 2 at the bottom. Then make sure there's no dust or debris where the dust caps were. Immediately after removing the dust caps, insert the new columns into your device. Push the columns in as far as possible. Do not leave the column ends exposed to open air. Using your hex key again, lock the new columns into place by inserting it in the socket and turning clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Finally, you need to let the device system know that the columns have been replaced. You can do this through the Inogen Connect app or through the device itself. Let's see how it can be done on the device. To reset the columns through the device, connect the device to the AC power cord and plug into an electrical outlet, but do not power on just yet. The device should remain off. With the device plugged in but still off, press and hold the plus and minus buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. You will see a Sieve reset icon appear on the screen. Once you see it, let go of the buttons. Press the bell button once. The screen will display the Sieve reset success icon with a check mark. Now, press and hold the power button to turn your device back on. That's it! You've successfully changed out the columns on your Inogen Rove 4. If you have any questions, please reach out. Our oxygen specialists are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.